Hi guys, welcome back to Jake, Erin, Play Plays.
That's a very long.
Yeah, it is.
Getting hard to do.
We need to change that. Yeah. So anyway, it's Bonfire night. We're gonna do some good fireworks and good activities.
Yep.
So we'll see you soon.
Yep.
We're outside.
Wait 2 seconds for that.
Yep.
This was for you before Bonfire night.
One. Lift up.
Food.
Bang! Bang!
Jake got a video.
4.
3, 2, 1.
Ready?
Whoa.
5, 4, 3, 2.
That was right.
Whoa.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Smack it.
What
A big lump of chicken.
Whoa.
It's a rocket.
I'm sorry if I'm getting
Oh!
I don't know the balloon touch floor challenge. Yeah. Positions.
Don't stop me from.
Whoever's the last guys, yeah, or girls. Whoever's the last man or girl standing, then the winner. Whoever makes
what do
the
we
most
win?
up to 4 is out. No. Whoever makes the most up to 4 is out. 3, 2, 1, go! Go on, touch it. Go on. Whee! Let me I'll stay at the back. I'll stay at the back. Right, okay, go on, Owen. Yes, go on.
That didn't touch the floor.
Oh, no! Oh my god, that's so close. Oh my gosh! Come on. Oh my gosh! Oh, good body. Oh, should we finish it there? Yep.
Yeah. That's up there.
Yeah.
Wait,
3, 2, 1 at a time.
It won't lie.
wait,
3,
wait.
2,
Big
One.
go.
3, 2.
Crazy.
Big rocket. Owen.
That travel it quick.
You ready? 3. Whoa! Whoa!
Can you see?
It's thank you. That's beautiful. That one.
That is the fountain said to say Southern Light.
I won't pick that one.
Fountain said to say Southern Light.
That one's pretty, isn't it? Did you like that one?
Wales are back up so she can.
Okay, smack it. Whoa. Whoa, another one.
Oh, that one's nice.
Like a Christmas tree. Another Christmas tree.
Oh, what's this one doing, Owen?
Who's filming
Oh, it looks like a Roman
Jake's filming this,
candle.
guys. Whoa.
Siren bullet.
Hold it on the end, don't touch anything because they will burn your hand. I'll hold your hand with
Mate,
it.
that awful one.
No, Nanny will hold.
Stop it. Can you send it me
Touch the
now?
end.
It's Helen's brother's birthday, so we'll be doing a video there, and after that we'll do a Roblox video. Or you might see a little Roblox video today if we get time.
What are they into?
Right, everyone dance out.
On the garden wall. That weird dinner and fire them down the street.
See if I can do, guys.
1, 5,
3, 2, 1.
Go!
That's highest, is it?
Best
isn't expecting.
This is the finale, guys.
Ooh.
Red and white plays the UFC.
Shut up. SWFC.
That is not SWFCA, I'm not blind. Now it's orange.
Right, anyway.
Now it's green. Now I do not know which it is. But this was very entertaining. Wow.
Green. Whoa.
I like how it's not came up with blue because it hates Sheffield Wednesday.
Shut up. Anyway, just guts out.
Red.
Whoa.
Told you finale would be good, guys.
Green. Whoa.
Long time, isn't it, this one?
Bye guys. Hope you had a great time watching the video.
Yeah, we'll be doing another special coming up soon. It might be Christmas or my birthday.
Yep.
Or Rylan's birthday. So stay tuned for that.
Owen, so like and sub. Like and sub.
It's cutest character in it, isn't it?
Cute, Resta. But yeah, like and sub. Hit that notification. Hit that notification bell for more videos of us. We will see you later. Bye. Happy Bonfire night.